What you're looking at here, folks, is a free PC. I was at a local auction, had a look at the auction itself, and there was nothing interesting in there. And I've done what I usually do, and that's look in the skip at the auction, because you never know what you're going to find. In this case I found this DELL. This is a DELL Inspiron. It is a DELL Inspiron 5680. At the moment it hasn't got a graphics card in it, so I nicked it out of it for something else. My friend's computer, because you know it had a 1050 in here, and that was going in my friend's computer because hey ho, it was free. But this was a free computer, so yeah, free 8th gen system. It's obviously you know LJ1151 socket, I believe. It does all work. I have tested it, but it was just a bit less powerful than my friend's Z420. So it had the 1050 put in that, and I'm going to sell this for whatever I can get for it. You know, new. So bear in mind this is free. This is a free system. These are going for like £400 on eBay, thereabouts, complete. Just got to find another graphics card for it. I'll get a bargain, I'm sure. And yeah, I'll get about 400 quid for this. Obviously I have to buy another graphics card though, that was part of the deal, because we both sort of found it, and yeah, it's complicated, but anyway, it's basically a free computer. Why on earth would anyone throw this in the skip? Why do you throw an 8th gen machine in a skip? Why? It all works absolutely fine, nothing wrong with it. That concludes this video.